How to do the Advanced Supine Snow Angel exercise. The Advanced Supine Snow Angel is a core and shoulder stability exercise done while lying on your back. It challenges your shoulders, chest, core, and postural muscles, especially when you increase the range of motion, time under tension, or add resistance. Starting position. 1. Lie on your back on a mat. 2. Keep arms down at your sides, palms up. 3. Legs extended fully, heels together, or lower back pressed into the mat. Engage your core. 5. Keep neck neutral and chin slightly tucked. How to perform the advanced variation. Version A. Slow tempo plus. Full arm sweep. 1. Engage your core and glutes to keep your back flat. 2. With arms straight and palms up, slowly sweep arms out to the sides like making a snow angel, without letting them touch the ground. 3. Keep arms just above the ground and reach overhead, keeping them as close to the floor as possible. 4. Then sweep arms back down to the starting position. 5. Repeat 8 to 15 controlled reps. Version B with light weights or bands. 1. Hold very light dumbbells, 1 to 3 pounds, or wear wrist weights. 2. Perform the same motion with control, keeping arms elevated off the ground. 3. This adds shoulder resistance and requires more core control. Version C, leg raise hold. Snow Angel arms. 1. From starting position, lift both legs a few inches off the floor, or up to 45 degrees for beginners. 2. Maintain this hollow hold while performing the arm sweep. 3. This activates your entire anterior chain, abs, hip flexors, and quads. Tips for proper form. Avoid arching your lower back. Press it down into the mat. Move slowly. 3 to 5 seconds per direction is ideal. Breathe steadily. Inhale when sweeping up. Exhale when returning. Keep arms slightly off the floor at all times for maximum engagement. Progressions. Increase time under tension, slower reps. Add ankle weights or light resistance bands. Combine with hollow body rock or leg lowers. Muscles worked. Deltoids, shoulders. Pectorals, chest. Latissimus dorsi. Rectus abdominis. Transverse abdominis. Hip flexors in leg hold variation. Please check my next video.